Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning. Welcome you again to the Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We have already started a social science quiz contest, and this is contest number 7. We have a quick introduction of the teams. The unbeatable angels comprise of Shubham and Harshit, and the epic angels have Ayush and Shivam as the team members. The teams are familiar with the rules, therefore straight away we can start the buzzer round. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer, and before I give you a question, please check your buzzers. Okay, now be ready. Hands on buzzer, and here is your question number 1. What is a gorge? Wait.
It is a narrow, deep. It is a narrow, deep opening formed by a river.
Okay. Question number 2. And which is the main water divide in southern India? Western Ghats is the correct answer. 10 marks for your team. With this, we have completed the buzzer round. Let's have an eye on the scoreboard. The teams are equally poised after the first round, that was the buzzer round. And we are starting the regulation round now. I'll be starting with you, unbeatable angels. And my question for you is, dash is a man-made lake? A. Sambar, B. Dal, C. Wooler, D. Govind Sagar. Govind Sagar is the correct answer. You get 10 more marks for your team. Well, I'll start with you this time. The world's largest drainage basin is of the A. Amazon River, B. Nile River, C. Ganga River, D. Hawang Ho. Amazon is absolutely correct. You add 10 more marks to your tally. Question for you. Which one of the following peninsular rivers of India flows west and makes estuaries? A. Krishna, B. Mahanadi, C. Godavari, D. Tapi. Tapi is the correct answer. You get 10 more marks for your team. And third round, I will be starting with you. In which course of a river meanders are formed? A. Upper course, B. Middle course, C. Lower course, D. Both upper and middle.
Middle course
Is absolutely correct. Middle course, although you were a bit hesitant, I don't know why, but answer is absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. question for you. The largest delta in the world is A. Ganga, B. Mahanadi, C. Sundarban, D. Godavari. Sundarban is the answer with not at all. The answer is correct. But where is the enthusiasm gone? Okay. 10 more marks. And the last round of the regulation starts with you. The Vembanad lake is located in A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Odisha.
Kerala.
Is correct. Although you are again a bit hesitant, but Kerala is absolutely the correct answer. 10 marks for your team. Last question of the regulation round. And question is, which one of the following lake is artificial? Sambar, Chilka, Puliket, Rana Pratap Sagar. Rana Pratap Sagar is correct. 10 marks for your team. After we are starting the rapid fire round. So far the scores are 50 for the unbeatable angels and 40 for the epic angels. It's been a very close race and still there are possibility of reversing the results. I will be starting with you, unbeatable angels. 7 questions, 70 seconds and 21 marks. Ma'am ready? Team is ready? Okay. Your time starts now. The area drained by a single river system is called water divide. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? Any elevated area such as a mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins known as drainage basin. Is it true or false?
False.
Right? The dendritic pattern develops where the river channel follows the slope of the terrain. The stream with its tributaries resembles the branches of a tree. Is it true or false?
True.
Right. Most of the peninsular rivers are perennial. Is it straight or googly?
Straight.
Is not correct. Is the Himalayan rivers have shorter and shallower courses as compared to their peninsular counterparts. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong is correct. So I put forward 5 questions. They answered 4 correct. 4 3s are 12 added to their tally. And now time for epic angels. Rapid fire round. You have got an opportunity to make recovery and come at equal terms. Right? So 7 questions, 70 seconds, 21 marks, and your time starts now. The streams within a drainage basin form certain patterns depending on the slope of land, underlying rock structure, as well as the climatic conditions of area. Is it true or false?
True.
Right? A river joined by its tributaries at right angles develop dendritic patterns. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? most of the Himalayan rivers are seasonal. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Yes, I am joking. The two major Himalayan rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, originate from the south of the mountain ranges. Straight or googly?
Googly.
Right. In middle and lower courses, the Himalayan rivers from the meanders, Oxbow, lakes and many other depositional features. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right is correct. 5 3s are 15. 15 added to your tally. And now I would like you to take you to the scoreboard. With this, we have completed the 7th contest today, and the geography round with this contest is over. Next round onwards, the teams will be trying their fate in the history rounds, and after 2 more rounds, the finalists will be selected. It was really well done on your part. Both the teams really did well. Keep this good show going, and you are almost a certainty to the finals. Well done.